Well, hello. I'm Robert Swartz from the Center for Teaching Thinking. Okay, we actually have offices now in Spain, in Madrid, but originated in the United States. And I'm very, very happy to be here at Lope de Vega School, okay, because Lope de Vega School is the first school that we certified as a TBL school. And of course, you know that TBL means thinking-based learning. Thinking-based learning is an approach to teaching that makes thinking the centerpiece. Students learn how to think carefully and well when they make decisions, solve problems, when they're trying to find the truth, when they're being creative, and we help them to then apply all of that to the content that they're learning, so that they're not just memorizing things that they give back on tests or that teachers tell them they need to memorize. They are learning and they're responding to questions they have. For example, they're learning about the French Revolution. Okay, instead of just learning facts about the French Revolution, okay, students have asked, why did the French Revolution happen? So they are raising questions and they know how to answer those questions. Don't just guess, but you think carefully and well. You'll be able to figure it out and gain some confidence that you know something that you, in fact, arrived at yourself. And that's another important aspect of thinking-based learning, and that is it focuses on students. The students become the center of the classroom, and they learn how to become active thinkers. And that means they learn, in a way, how to think for themselves and not rely on other people, but only if their thinking reveals that something is the truth. Not easy to find that out. Or will they develop a creative idea, but they need to figure out whether it's going to work. And that requires some good, careful thinking. Well, they learn all those things about thinking in order to be able to apply them to content. And of course, at a school like Lope de Vega, where all the teachers focus on TBL and teach this way, then we have a question of extension. How can we help students then extend what they're learning beyond the curriculum to everyday life, to problems in their lives, but to thinking about important issues that arise in the world even, okay, like the pandemic. How should we handle ourselves? What should we do? Okay, not just to protect ourselves, but to help others who might be caught in this terrible disease. Well, that's a sketch of the kinds of things that we worked with Lope de Vega on in really trying to bring TBL into the classrooms of this school. And that succeeded, so that in 2016, we awarded Lope de Vega School a certificate as a thinking-based learning school. And what that means is that they then become a model for other schools that are interested in TBL. And they've done a wonderful job there. We help them to find and use additional materials that focus on thinking, that enrich thinking-based learning. And I'm very happy to be back here after a number of years. Okay, I've been traveling a lot, and I find the same people smiling, wonderful people. Students are happy, okay? And especially our principal, Aurea, okay, who was the mainstay in bringing TBL into this school. So I thank you for this opportunity to say this about Lope de Vega School, and I really wish them the best in continuing to represent how important it is to help students to become good thinkers and not just memorize things in their learning. Thank you.